Ken Paxton impeachment trial live updates. HR director dismisses complaints. Firings link. HR manager denies link between whistleblower complaints and firings during afternoon session of Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton's impeachment trial, which was postponed Thursday. Attorneys grilled Henry De La Garza, Attorney General's Human Resources Director, about termination of several office employees who complained about Paxton's possible misconduct to FBI. De La Garza testified that the Attorney General's office did not improperly fire several whistleblower employees after they notified federal authorities that they believed Paxton misused the Attorney General's office resources to help Nate Paul, an Austin real estate developer and Paxton campaign donor. Instead, he said, the employees were fired because they could not work well with their direct superior, Paxton's newly appointed first assistant, Brent Webster. In many ways, this was a case of an employee with a boss being insubordinate or unprofessional towards the new boss and not following the boss directions, De La Garza said. In his cross-examination, House Prosecutor Daniel Dutko laid out dates whistleblowers reported Paxton to FBI and dates they were fired. This was all within days or weeks. Dutko sent back to defense statement they used earlier in hearing and asked, "Are you familiar with phrase 'there are no coincidences' in Austin?" Deputy Attorney General denies Paxton acted improperly in accessing information. Austin Kinghorn, Assistant Legal Counsel to Texas Attorney General, defended his boss in a deposition Thursday morning, saying Ken Paxton did not improperly access information to benefit Nate Paul, an Austin real estate developer and Paxton campaign donor who is at the center of many of accusations against Paxton. There's an old saying in the legal profession that their name is on the wall, Kinghorn said. This is his agency. Kinghorn's claim was questioned by Paxton's defense attorney, Hilton, who took leave from his job at the Attorney General's office to defend his boss at the impeachment trial. Hilton pressed Kinghorn on an impeachment charge accusing Paxton of improperly information held by his office. Kinghorn argued that because Paxton was the highest-ranking official in the office, it was unlikely he would have improperly accessed a file. Kinghorn also testified that he was not aware of any criminal conspiracy involving the misuse of office supplies. "I am still here," Kinghorn said. "I am proud of the work we did. I am proud to serve General Paxton." But House Prosecutor Erin Epley questioned Kinghorn's commitment to the state of Texas and its citizens. Compared to his loyalty Paxton, Epley asked Kinghorn who he would choose if he had to choose between Paxton and the state of Texas. "I don't see them in conflict," Kinghorn said. Paxton's lawyers discuss FBI briefing on Nate Paul. Lawyers for suspended Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton questioned Justi.